Welcome to my channel, and please remember to like and subscribe. Whether you're just starting or looking to sharpen your photography skills, mastering composition is essential. In this video, we'll cover 18 important tips to elevate your photography and create visually stunning images. Let's dive in. Rule of thirds. Start by imagining your frame divided into 9 sections. Place your subject at one of the intersections for a more balanced and dynamic composition. Golden ratio. A step beyond the rule of thirds. The golden ratio uses a natural 1:1.618 proportion, creating a flow that feels even more pleasing to the eye. Golden triangles and spirals. Perfect for compositions with curves or diagonals, these mathematical tools guide the eye through the image with natural grace. Rule of odds. Odd numbers are more engaging to the eye, so when composing your shot, try using 3 or 5 elements instead of an even number. Leaving space. Give your subject room to breathe by leaving space in front of their gaze or movement. This creates a sense of balance and keeps the viewer comfortable. Fill the frame. Don't be afraid to zoom in and eliminate distractions. Filling the frame emphasizes your subject and adds intensity to your composition. Simplification. Less is more. Remove unnecessary elements so your viewer's focus stays on the subject, creating a clean and impactful shot. Balance. Balance the visual weight of elements in your frame. This prevents the image from feeling heavy on one side and creates harmony. Lines. Lines guide the viewer's eye through your image. Whether straight or curved, use them to create movement and depth. Patterns naturally catch our attention. Look for repeating elements in your scene, and break the pattern with a key subject to add emphasis. Colors evoke emotion. Warm tones bring energy, while cooler tones create calm. Use colors thoughtfully to set the mood of your photo. Capturing texture adds a tactile quality to your images, especially in close-ups. Highlight textures to bring a 3-dimensional feel. Symmetry brings order and power to an image. Use it to create balance, but remember, breaking symmetry can add intrigue. Viewpoint. Changing your angle can dramatically alter how your subject is perceived. Shoot from above, below, or at eye level for different effects. Background. A cluttered background can distract from your subject. Keep it simple or use it to complement the story you're telling. Depth. Create a sense of depth by including elements in the foreground, middle ground, and background. This adds dimension and interest to your photos. Framing. Use natural elements like windows or trees to frame your subject. This guides the viewer's eye and adds focus to your composition. Orientation, landscape, or portrait orientation changes the flow of your image. Use horizontal for wider scenes and vertical for taller subjects. Remember, these guidelines are tools to help you shape your artistic vision, not hard rules. Experiment, practice, and find what works best for your style. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting.